This is Mr. Poolman from Wyoming. I'm coming back to you because we've had such an inquiry on how do I continue with my pool. Getting the pool from a green state now, if you like, to a more clear state. So a lot of you guys would have used either a granular flocculant, which is quite thick, would have left a layer down the bottom of the pool. We've either used a very light clarifier to clean and get the light stuff to settle down to the bottom. The next other chemicals that are important in your pool, UV blockout, or known as stabilizer, and of course that you want to try and get that in as soon as possible, or at least find out where your reading's at. Ideally, stabilizer, you want it to be around, I try and get my clients to have it somewhere between 30 and no more than 50 parts per million. Look, there's a bit of an argument in the industry, you can go up to 100 parts per million, but I really think that's a little bit on the high side. So 50 parts per million is ideal for your stabilizer. Next, you've got your alkalinity, which is your sodium bicarbonate. That makes the water more alkaline. The other one that a lot of people seem to forget, which is calcium hardness, and that's calcium chloride, which increases your hardness level. Once you've got some really nice clarity and it's crystal clear, you've got these all in check, I recommend to my clients to get a long life algicide, and you have what they call dead organic matter in your pool. Look, a lot of times the filter will get a lot of that out, but the last and final thing that I use, predominantly in the commercial pools and some of my clients, is OxyFresh. And OxyFresh is basically eliminates the organic contaminants in the, and basically also gets rid of chlorine odors. Look, this can be added to your pool. 500 gram sachet will generally do a 50,000 litre pool, and you can swim within 15 minutes, absolutely no problem. It's a bit of a shock treatment, but it's fantastic. And look, if there's anything else you need or specifically want to know about, please just shoot us an email to support@mrpoolman.com.au, or anything about these particular products, don't hesitate to give us a quick email. More than happy to help.